Hey guys, today in this video we're going to be checking out the Skyloong 60% Hot-Swappable mechanical keyboard. This keyboard I built for under $130. The keyboard itself is Skyloong, spelled like this. You can easily find this on Amazon. This one is actually the Bluetooth model, but if you don't care about Bluetooth, you can save another $10. Usually this one's $70, but you can get it for $60, but that does not come with any keycaps or switches. You can get most switches for around $30 to $35. If you only want cherry switches like cherry reds or cherry browns, those will only be around $20 to $25, and you only need 70 of them. For the keycaps, you can get them on Amazon. I got these for only $20, but make sure you get a set that actually has a regular Alt Control and FN buttons and not with the arrow keys, unless you go and opt for the arrow key version of this keyboard. Under here, we have not Cherry MX Browns. These are Kaihl Speed Coppers. They're pretty similar to Browns, except they're just a little more tactile, and they're almost like Cherry Speed Silvers in any of the speed switches, which basically means that right at the top of your stroke, it's gonna actually actuate. At the top of the stroke, it's gonna actually actuate. Man, it's a hard word, why? These keys will actually be faster in gaming, for example. I don't really notice that much of a difference, but a lot of people do. These also shine through keycaps, and you can change the RGB modes. Everything on this keyboard is customizable. So in this keyboard, I haven't actually lubed the switches, but I have lubed the stabs. And if you notice, there's almost no movement. Let's compare that to the ROG Strix one in the last video. So here we have the Black Ops 4 version of the ROG Strix. What that ends up being is when you press on the keyboard, you might not hear it like perfectly until you actually hear one that doesn't have the rattle. This usually applies mostly on the spacebar, but also on the right shift, the right enter, the backspace, and the left shift. Also, another benefit of this keyboard over this one is that this one, you can actually hot swap all the switches yourself. Some people may just want a keyboard that just works, but you can get a much better quality one. So for example, in here, this switch has two little prongs, and all you do is you take a switch like this. Your board's gonna come like this on all of them, and you line up the two prongs, two holes in there, and you just push down. It's easy as that. All the links to buy all the parts for this keyboard will be in the description. In our next video, we're gonna actually put one of these from nothing and build a whole keyboard out of it, and show you also how to lube switches and stabilizers. To see that next video and other computer related content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.